So, good morning guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is late morning. We've just been live on our Thursday little live. We did a walk along the beachfront here, had a coffee and a cocktail. So the plan is today we're going to carry on and walk a little bit further down, and we're going to have a bit of a beach day. So we're going to go to the beach, hopefully vent some sunbeds, chill out, sunbathe. I might have a little dip in the sea because it is looking gorgeous and clear today. So that's the plan, a beach day, just chill out, sunbathe. Laura's had a little cocktail already. If you haven't seen that live, I'll leave the link in the description. You can go and watch it. Got sun this direction, it's gorgeous. It's a little bit cloudy over there, we're going to head in this direction. So it is a gorgeous day. So that's the plan. So we're going to pay this bill here in the beach bar, carry on walking and get on the beach. So we're just walking down to the beach. We're heading to this one here, which is just the next one along from Las Vistas, where they've done it all up over the lockdown. They put the new sand on, and there is a few sunbeds on this one, so we might try and get a sunbed and a parasol if we can. But this one, it does look really nice, but it is quite busy. But it's lovely for a swim now. It used to be quite rocky, but they put all this sand in. It's a lot nicer now.
Queen of hearts, when everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass.
So we're on, got our sunbeds with the parasol. Just as we wanted, back row, out of the way. Laura's just setting me up in the shade, otherwise I'll frazzle. But yeah, and you don't have to wear your masks on the sunbed. Got to wear them now while you're moving around, but once you're on the sunbed sunbathing, you don't have to wear a mask. And you don't have to wear a mask when you're swimming either, so. Oh, helicopter tour going past. Nice. So you'll have to excuse my very white feet. It looks like I've got little white shoes on. Oh, but lovely view. Lovely view. Look at that. So just paid, it was €6 for the parasol and €6 for the two beds, so €3 each for the beds. Not bad, 6 each, and you got that all day now. So it is super chilled, so quiet. Just hear the waves crashing. Had a little paddle there. Water's crystal clear, and not cold either. Lovely spot this. I think this will be a fast becoming very popular beach now they put the sand in, because the sand's lovely, nice and soft, and you can get in much easier now. Nice, just chilled, super chilled. So it is a lovely day. I don't know if you can see just through here, you've got a big cruise ship going past. I'm going to zoom in. Got a big cruise ship about to go past, which will be nice to see. It's a gorgeous day for the beach. You smell the ocean, sand between your toes. I haven't been to the beach in a long time, so it's nice to be back. Some of the beach sights and sounds. I hope you're enjoying it so far. I'm just going to pop up to the shop at the back and try and get a drink for me and Laura, and then have a bit more of a paddle. I think might take the GoPro in. The water is gorgeous. I'm sorry for making you jealous. I'm not trying to make you jealous. I'm just trying to give you some motivation. So if you are wondering, this is Playa El Camison. I'll just zoom in there on the name. So that's where we are. So I'm going to head up to the shop at the back, and I'll be back in a minute. So, treated myself to a nice chocolate donut as well. Nice donut with these views. Perfect. Perfect. I even treated Laura to a new bikini. 20 quid. There you go. So, Laura's gone down for a little dip there to test out the water. That's the only problem when you come as a couple. One person has to watch the stuff. Like, we've got loads of camera gear and stuff, and my gimbal and that. So that's the only problem. When you come as a two, there's not much you can do with your stuff. So we just have to take it in turn. You can't really go together unless you want to risk having your stuff, which I would never do. Never risk it. But nice and chilled. That donut was lovely. White chocolate. Nice. So chill here for a few more hours, then we've got to walk back and deliver a car at the airport, so we can't be too late from here. But I'm enjoying just a few hours, chilled out. Not been to the beach in ages. Just hearing the beach sounds, kids having fun, the waves. It's nice. So fast forward an hour or so, we're still here, just chilling. Lovely views. The cruise ship has stopped. It's just sort of out there, floating around. It's stayed out there, but it's nice to see. Something to look at while you chill. No, it's been a nice day. Nice just chilling here. I hope you've enjoyed the sights and sounds, and if I could bring the smells to you, I would, but I can't. So I've got another bit, about half an hour or so more chill, and then we have to make a move, walk back to Los Cristianos and get that car to the airport. But it's been nice chilling, it's been different, it's been a nice break. So I'm in, guys. It is chilly, I must say. When you first get in, it's a little bit chilly, but we're in. It's absolutely lovely. I'm warming up now. It's hard to think I used to do this at the boot camp at 7 AM. This is full sun and I'm struggling. But some nice fish around. I'm going to try and show some of the fish on the GoPro here. But for now, just enjoying a nice little swim. Laura's struggling to get in.
I'm not a bit. I was in ages ago.
Come on, in you get.
Just allowing the current to just take me.
Oh, it's lovely. Takes your breath away at the start. Oh, but it's nice.
Nice. There's fishes around as well, so we're trying to find them for you.
So I'm going to start dunking the GoPro, try and find these fish. But it's just so calm. It's nice. Now I'm in. I'm happy I got in. So it's time for us to head off. Got to start walking back through Los Cris. So we're just going to make sure we gather up our rubbish. Always make sure you take your stuff. There is recycle bins on all these as well, 4 different ones for different stuff. So make sure you pick up your stuff, and if you can, if there's other stuff around, just pick it up. This is pretty clean, this beach though. But if you can, pick up some other bits and just pop it in the bin. It all helps. Everyone should target taking 3 pieces of litter off if you can. Does help. So guys, that's us done. We're going to walk back now. There's no point filming the rest of the walk because we do have to power walk. So I hope you enjoyed that beach day. We will try and do another one. If you did, drop your comments below. I also want to know, where is your favourite beach in the world? What's your favourite beach that you've been on or visited? It can be here, it can be anywhere, so drop your comments. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, it's completely free. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop those comments, follow us on Instagram, Facebook. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Brought the beach to you. Some sights, sounds, different bits. Nice and chilled, wasn't it? Gonna need some after sun. And a nice shower. You can't beat a nice shower after the beach.
No.
But thanks very much for watching. Hope we see you again on the channel soon. And stride on.
Bye bye.
Bye guys.